life-changing. Ah, really, really, truly. I mean, welcome back to Live Beauty and Soul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we're gonna have a really quick makeup look. This is the makeup look I go to whenever I wake up and I'm like, shoot, I don't have much time and I have to get out of the door really quick, or in a weekend that I have a few things to do and I don't wanna look like this. I gravitate towards that look. So I recommend that you have a go-to look when you're short in time or don't want to fuss too much but want to look put together. And also we're going to chit chat about a couple of things that I have been doing in the past couple of weeks. I have stumbled about a good program to kind of keep your house in good order and clean, and I'm put it in effect this week pretty much. Of course we're still tweaking it, but I have really good hopes that it's gonna work and not have to spend hours cleaning in one day a week. Because who wants to clean all weekend? Come on, I don't want to clean all weekend. You don't want to clean all weekends. All this stuff is gonna be linked down below in case you're interested and want to check it out. Let's start with the look. I'm not gonna fuss too much. The order of my makeup when I do this really quick look, it's a little bit different than usual. I do start with my foundation and then build from there. I usually start with my eyes and then build the rest. Today I'm not gonna use any tools to apply the face makeup. We're going to be using mostly our fingers, and for that, a foundation that I like to use when I do these kind of looks is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and on this one I am on the 208 Sun Beige. Yeah, I like it specifically for this look because it can spread really easy with my fingers. But before we do that, I'm going to use the Master Prime by Face Studio from Maybelline, and this is the Primer Base Blur Pore Minimizer. This is where I have most of my bigger pores, right here and right here and here. So I pat it there, and this is a silicone. Yeah, it has the methicone. So it's silicone, so it's gonna make everything glide really quick. Now we go with the Infallible Pro Glow, and I like this one because it's not completely matte. It has that glow, and I can bring it down some if it becomes too glowy. This time of year, being dry and cold, everybody needs a little bit of glow. Take it down to my neck. Okay, so my foundation is blended in, easy breezy, with my fingers. Again, it's a quick and light look. I really like this foundation. It makes your skin look like skin, and I like that a lot. Okay, obviously when I do this look, I'm not talking, so it takes less time. I'm gonna get my trusty Boing Brightening Concealer and Corrector. I'm gonna put it on because Mama needs some of this corrector today. Next, we're going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I am on the CA, and we are going to put some of that right here. Get my red areas here. And the reason why with this particular look I do my skin first is because the products I'm gonna use on my eyes are not powder and they do not fall out to worry about. And I am using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, not to really truly bake, but to set the under eye. And you know, by now the foundation is pretty much set, so I will not need a lot of setting powder. So I'll just spread it like this, take that out of the eye and go around, because I don't want to mattify too much. I want some of that glow to stay because we want to look fresh and skin-like. And there's our face. We don't have to worry about that. Now we're going to move along with the eyes. Two products, Color Tattoo 24 Hours And this is on the Back to the Bronze color. Been around for a while. And this is my second pot. I do go to this one a lot. Looks put together for the office. Just love it. I think we still have this in the drugstore. And this is the L'Oreal Paris, the Color Reach. And this is the Cup of Joe, and it is a complete matte quad. Today, we're gonna use that, and for my eyebrows, the eyebrow bone, we're gonna use my trusty Wet n Wild Brulee. We are going to apply this to all of our eyelid. When I'm doing that, I started the Weight Watchers Freestyle about a week or so ago. I have not done, I'm doing it on the phone. I work 45 minutes one way from my house, and the meetings sadly are about the time that I am on the road. That's a bummer because I do like the meetings, but I know that I need to be doing something for me, for my health. That's why I'm not doing the meetings this time. I am doing the web program. I really like it. I have 23 points a day. A lot of the stuff is free points. Of course, it's your veggies and your fruits, things that you're not going to eat pound after pound after pound of it. It's stuff that you can snack on, but not snack food. And I like that premise. Okay, and then we have the eyelids done. You see, that's such a pretty color. It's just a subtle, on my skin tone. It's a subtle look. Some shine, but not glitter. If you don't have this in your collection, you need to go and find it and get it. They still make it. It's still on the market. So I'm gonna dip my brush here and on the next one to it. And I use my blender brush for this because I'm applying color and blending at the same time. Again, cutting steps. Build a little bit of definition to it, and my eye, define the eye. Not too dramatic, again, not a big fussy look. I have done the Weight Watchers on and off forever, and it works when you really put your effort on it. And I will say it is much easier, this program, because you don't have to be counting points for strawberries, points for cucumbers that you use, veggies and fruits. It's free. A lot of them are. I think it's 200 plus things that are free. Chicken breast is a free point. Turkey breast is a free point. Shrimp is a free point. So you eat until you're satisfied, not full that I'm gonna die full. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. And again, I found me some ladies on Instagram that have really awesome recipes. They're low point recipes that I know my family are gonna like. And when I do the Weight Watchers, the good thing I like is that I cook the same thing for everybody. And I'm very blessed that my girls liking vegetables and salads and things like that. That is a plus too when your kids like that kind of food. So I'm applied the brow bone color and blend it, and that's it. The eye look is pretty much done. See, quick. Of course, not that quick today because I'm talking, but when you're quiet, just going at it, it's done in a matter of like what, a couple of minutes. I'm going to line my upper eye and my lower eye, and sometimes I even skip the lower. And I am using my Soda Pop by Maybelline, and I'm using this brown here, the root beer. To do that, I wetted my e.l.f. Precision brush in some Make It Last by Milani setting spray. I'm not sponsored. Again, I'm doing this all on my own, but I will recommend Weight Watchers. But this time it's really less fuzzy. How about counting points all the time? And you know, once you get used to it, you will know what fruits and vegetables and what food is a free food. That's another good thing. Again, less fuzzy. And that is why a lot of people are having great success. Okay, so you line the top part. Now we're going to go down real quick. Not too much fuzz. Fuzz free. The less fuzz in our life, the less we have to fuzz about things, I think help us keep something going. And that is what I like about this new freestyle program from Weight Watchers. So we will see. We will do some updates on weight. Let's move on to the face. I am going to, this came in my BoxyCharm for February. And if you got it, listen, y'all don't go too crazy at first. Because the first morning I did it, I just went like usual. And I just went like that. And it is a lot and it's pretty pigmented. So a gentle tap will do. And I'm using a smaller brush because that day it went everywhere. Just a little bit of almost contouring here today, / bronzing, build it up. So I'm on the fence with this one because I'm not all convinced that it's not looking muddy on me, and I'm taking it a little bit higher than usual. After 40, everything starts kind of coming down. We have to lift everything up. So instead of going to the actual hollows of my cheek, see it's down here and I have a natural indent right here. But instead of staying right there, cause see it goes down, I do just a little bit up. Same with the side. Will be an optical illusion with makeup, bringing everything up. Talking about fuzzing and let's fuzz in our days. I'm a working mom, so cleaning. Because we get so busy with cheer and dance and senior stuff going on with the oldest, church activities with the teenagers, well, and a little bit too. You know, it's something always going on. It can get pretty busy during the week, and so the cleaning gets pushed and pushed and pushed to the weekend. And again, like I said at the beginning of the video, who wants to spend a Saturday cleaning? I don't, not anymore. And so I found this program again on Instagram, and it's called the Clean Mama, and I'm going to put her link below. It's the Clean Mama, and she has a calendar, and it's really structured, but it's flexible, okay? So if something kind of don't work out for you on the day that she has it, you can switch it around. There's no problem. Every day has a main task, and every day has the daily tasks. Daily tasks are like tackling the clutter, picking up stuff, making the bed, doing one load of laundry, and it's doing from beginning to put up the whole process. I think it's those 3, maybe one more thing, and I can't remember. And then your main task, like Monday is cleaning the bathroom, Tuesday is dusting everything in your house, Wednesday is sweeping the floors, Thursdays is mopping the floors, and Friday is catching up with everything that you might have not been able to finish during the week. And then I can't remember what today's task is. Really structured, and it's really good. And I'm telling you, I really started doing it this week, and I am really liking it. It's gonna be life-changing. And again, we do some updates on that later on. I'm gonna do the cheeks. I am using my Makeup Revolution blush palette. Again, my handy dandy color here. The reason I like this color is because you can pair it with anything. And actually, this whole look, you can pair with anything. Like when we go to the lip color, I have a few different shades here today. So you see that it can be paired with any color. Now we're going to go with our highlight, and sometimes I highlight and sometimes I don't. Again, depending on the brush. And I'm going to use my Becca Opal. And so we're going to do our highlight very softly. You know, again, I was saying when I got this, you can take this any way you want it. You want it pow, you can get a pow look disco ball. If you want it natural, you can take it natural. We're gonna put some on our temples. I bought this tool that has made doing the floors so much faster, and it is the Bissell Crosswave. I don't have pets, but I bought the pet one because it have a couple extra attachments to it. The roller that made for the hair not to tangle too bad. It's still tangled, but it's not awful to clean it. And it has another thing that don't let the hair get too trapped in there. Because I don't have pets, but I have hair. All of my girls have long hair. I bought it, and that one you can vacuum and mop the floor in one step. And it has been life-changing. Oh, really true. I mean, in a cinch, you do a room. Both. Sweep and mop, or vacuum and mop. And it is amazing. So totally recommend that. Again, I'm not sponsored. Bissell, hey, if you happen to see this, send stuff my way because I will gladly try it. A little bit of a fuzz cleaning it, but of course, you know, you have to clean this stuff because it has water. You don't want to store anything with water because it's gonna get funky. But besides that, and even that is not a big deal compared to the time that is saving you. We are going to finish our look with eyebrows, and then we're gonna come back to the lipstick part. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we're done with the eyebrows. Again, my pencil. I do not fuss with the pomade. I'm still working on it. Do not fuss with the pomade during the week, especially in a fuzz-free look like this one. So we did our eyebrows. We do need to do our mascara. Get your mascara that you know gives you the look, the results that you like, and don't fuss with anything else. Of course today, well, Super Sizer. So that is what we're gonna do. Real quick, one step, and we are done. There you go. Look at these lashes. Oh, this is bomb. Love it, love it, love it. One step and we're done. Not gonna do the bottom. We're gonna be really natural. So we're not gonna put mascara on our lower lashes today. All right, so let's move on to the lipstick. Like I said, this look you can pair with any color. And so we're going to start with a few, you know, colors so you can see. I'm going to do the first one. It's a matte lipstick and it is called High Flyer 610 from Rimmel. These are matte, and this one is like a peachy pink. Look, one coat on the top, spreading it on the bottom. Really, really like these. Smell, taste, I want to say it's tamarind. I don't know if you've ever had tamarind. That's what this scent reminds me of. And this is the Plum Reach from Maybelline, the regular lipsticks. I love this one. It's so creamy. Again, this is the Plum Reach from the Color Sensational line from Maybelline. I really, really like it. I have the Vivid Hot Lacquer in 66 Too Cute. And so we put some of that on top, just a little bit. Lighten it up some, give it a little bit of a pink. I like this gloss. Not this color particular, I cannot wear it on its own. So I'm gonna be trying some other colors because it seems to be pretty opaque. But on top of things, gives it that glossy look without the stickiness. Last color is a pink, and it's another Rimmel Stay Matte. This is their liquid lipstick, Rose and Shine. I like this one too. Smell of this is soapy. Soapy as get out. Again, these are colors that don't need too much fuzz. Fuzz-free lips. This is a rosy color, and it dries matte. It doesn't over dry the lips, and it's really, really pretty, and it lasts quite a bit. It's a pretty long-lasting color. So this would be the fuzz-free look. I'm gonna bring me some Mario Badescu Rose Water to set it. This is our final look. I will link everything that we've spoken about down below so you can go and check it out. I am going to be filming for the new segment in the kitchen, and we're gonna have a name for it and a date. I think I'm going to be uploading those on Thursdays, and we're gonna be all about in the kitchen. Tools, recipes, things like that. And I'm hoping that you guys will really, truly enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, again, welcome. I upload every Monday, and now we're gonna start uploading some Thursdays as well on the cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and press that little bell so you don't miss any of the good stuff. And until then, I am sending you lots of love and blessings. Mwah.